Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number headings. If you want to set number on headings, you can double click in header and will be moved into the science tools. So the next you can click on page number, and to set in the headings you can use the top of page. And there are a lot of styles for numbering in the page in the header. Like I will use this plain number 3, you can click and it will be automatically set the number. You can click close header and footer. To edit, you can double click again and you can right click in this number. Go to format page number and you can set the new format. Like I will use this option and you can click OK to apply. Click close. And that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number headings. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.